Someone made a comment on YouTube about the tacking and about the position of the boat being close hold and just kind of setting yourself up before the tack. He was basically implying that I need to put myself into position before I begin the maneuver, whereas I think prior I was really far, maybe like on a beam or even further out, and so I'm swinging the boat far into the wind before I even really begin my maneuver. For anyone out there that wants to correct me or give me kind of the how-tos, I would love it, because again, I don't know. When I make the tack or the jibe, it's a real just sharp, hold the wheel, get the sail set up, and then go. Whereas prior, you know, I was swinging 30, 40 degrees to get into position to then make my maneuver. So that's what I think we'll try this time, and we'll see how that works. One maneuver that I definitely am trying to practice a lot more, and I'll just show you while I'm in this particular position, is a heaving to. Here I am just sitting on the lake right now. I'm getting my gear all set up, and it's just perfect. I'm not really going anywhere. The boat is in total control. So I've got the sail backwinded, the jib backwinded, and I've got the rudder turned. And basically right now, you know, the wind is just kind of holding the boat. It's moving the sail in one direction. The rudder is countering that and fighting essentially in the other direction, and the boat is broadside to the wind, you know, and that's it. So I definitely need to keep practicing that. It took me 2 tries to get it, you know, to get out of it. Just release the jib and kind of pull the main back in. Oh yeah, and I let the main sheet out so that the main sail is kind of loose. So let's get out of this maneuver here. First thing that I'm gonna do, get the boat straightened back out. We're gonna go this way, release this. Okay, so westward heading, 3.7 knots. You can see that we're on, well, I'd say that's almost a beam, broad. Wind is definitely behind us. So, again, based on what I was kind of understanding, let's get some speed. So let's get some speed here. There we go. Perfect. Getting into the wind. Great. Okay. So now we've got our speed. And then I believe for our tack, and we'll just be right there. So let's just do a real quick prepare to tack. Ready, tacking. Was way smoother. Yeah. Wow. So I just transferred, you know, just half the direction by setting myself up. And normally in previous tacks, I have definitely swung real wide through the wind to kind of get on my final tack there. So way better scenario there. Tack. Okay, so we are going to point ourselves into the wind. Prepare to tack. Ready. Tacking. rucksack. Ready? Put ourselves in a position to jibe. So I'm gonna pull that in. Okay. So, prepare to jibe. Ready. Jibing. Yeah, that was a good jibe. Sheeted the main just a little so that the boom wouldn't be so violent across. Can unsheet that a little bit. Sheeted the main a little bit. Let the boom come across. Then let go of my jib sheet and completed the jibe. Ready to jibe. Ready. Jibing. Okay. Prepare to jibe. Ready? Jibing. I believe your name is Alexander. You left a comment on one of my videos. Thank you so much. Guys, seriously, any comments are welcomed because I'm learning. I took my ASA 101 class, but I am learning, and that's why I have a 22-foot boat, and that's why I'm on a lake, because it's a place for me to make safe mistakes. But anything that you guys can offer to help, so huge. So again, thank you. Thank you so much for the comment. Thank you so much for the tips. Guys, I really enjoy this, and I hope you do too. So, tacking and jibing as the sun is setting. It's pretty epic night. We had some great wind. So thank you guys.